Hey, welcome back. If you've ever wanted your own AI chatbot, but thought it would cost a fortune or require rocket science engineering, today I'll prove you wrong. In the next 12 minutes, I'll show you, step by step, how to build a practical, useful chatbot for free and deploy it so anyone on the web can try it. No paid API keys required for the core flow, just free tools, open source models, and a simple deployment trick that gives you a permanent shareable link. Stick around because near the end, I'll reveal one tiny optimization that makes your bot remember user context way better. And it's only 2 extra lines of code. Quick overview. By the end of this video, you'll have a chat system with a user-facing chat UI built with Gradio, an LLM backend using an open source model or free Hugging Face inference, context/memory via embeddings plus a vector store, Chroma or FAISS, and a simple deployment to Hugging Face spaces so it's live and shareable for free. Step 1. Decide the bot's purpose and persona. Before writing code, define what your bot does. Is it a document Q&A bot? Answers from a PDF? A customer support assistant, or a friendly companion? Narrowing the purpose lets you pick the right model size and data. Also decide the bot persona, helpful, formal, playful, because you'll encode that in the system prompt. Later, I'll show how a single system prompt line can turn the same model from formal support agent into a fun trivia host. Step 2. Pick a free model or hosting option. You've got 2 clear free routes. Use Hugging Face hosted models or spaces, inference, and free hosting for demos. This is great for prototypes and avoids local installs. Run a local open source model if you have a strong GPU or want more control. For most beginners, Route 1 is faster. Either way, you'll connect the model through a small Python app. No paid APIs necessary for many smaller models or community-hosted inference endpoints. Step 3. Prepare your knowledge. Documents, embeddings. If your bot needs to answer from specific files, manuals, articles, FAQs, convert those files into embeddings. Chunk your documents, split into 200 to 500 word pieces. Embed each chunk with an embeddings model. Many free community embeddings exist. Store the vectors in a vector database, Chroma or FAISS, so you can retrieve relevant chunks at query time. Chroma is developer-friendly and integrates nicely with app frameworks. FAISS is a reliable similarity library for fast search. This process enables RAG, retrieval augmented generation, which makes small models punch way above their weight by giving them exact facts from your documents. Step 4. Glue it together with a framework. Use a simple library to orchestrate prompt arrow retrieval arrow model call. LangChain is a great open source choice. It helps you wire together prompts, vector stores, and the LLM in a few lines. I'll use LangChain as the example orchestration layer. High-level code idea, pseudocode. That docs summary is the retrieved chunks turned into a prompt context. Coming up, I'll show the exact system prompt I use that makes the bot answer clearly and refuse unsafe requests. Step 5. Build a simple chat UI with Gradio. For the UI, Gradio is the fastest. A few lines gives you an interactive chat widget, file uploader, and deployable app. Once your Python app wraps the LangChain flow, wrap that function with, and you're done. Gradio apps can be hosted directly on Hugging Face spaces for free. Example, conceptual. Gradio handles the browser, UI and WebSocket streaming. Step 6. Deploy to Hugging Face spaces for free. Once your app is a Gradio app, create a new space on Hugging Face, choose the Gradio SDK, and push your app.py and requirements.txt. Hugging Face provides free hosting for spaces, so your demo gets a permanent URL that you can share. If you need GPU for heavier models, you can upgrade, but many small models and demos run on Spaces free tier or via CPU 0 GPU options. Step 7. Safety, testing, and iteration. Test thoroughly. prompt injection, hallucinations, and bad answers. Add guardrails. Use a system prompt that instructs refusal on harmful queries. Limit maximum token generation and use concise prompts. Log user queries and responses for manual review. If you need robust moderation, add a basic filter before forwarding queries to the model. Advanced tips and one-line memory trick. Advanced tips use metadata source date when storing embeddings so answers can cite where info came from. Cache embeddings and retrieved docs to speed up repeated queries. If you want multi-turn memory, store recent chat turns in the vector DB and retrieve them as part of the prompt. This is the two-line trick. Fetch last n turns. Add them to the prompt context. It dramatically improves continuity. That two-line memory tip is this. Save the last user/assistant pairs as documents and include them in the similarity search together with your source docs. It's small, but it makes the bot recall conversation flow naturally. Alright, quick recap. Define purpose, pick a free hosting route, Hugging Face or local, convert your docs to embeddings and store them, Chroma/FAISS, orchestrate with LangChain, make a UI with Gradio, and deploy to Hugging Face spaces for a free public link. If you build this step by step, you'll have a working chatbot in under an hour. If you want, drop a comment with your bot idea, and I'll pick 3 to demo in the next video. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want a downloadable checklist. And the exact system prompt I use, I'll link it in the description.